Is the Eiffel Tower taller than the Empire State Building?
No. The Empire State Building is approximately 100 meters taller.
Is English more difficult than Portuguese?
No. English is easier than Portuguese.
Is she less intelligent than her brother?
No. She is more intelligent than her brother.
Is a cat more independent than a dog?
Yes. A cat can be left alone for longer periods.
Is your car as fast as mine?
Yes. My car is much faster than yours.
Is she as beautiful as her sister?
No, she's much prettier than her sister.
Is our house bigger than theirs?
No. Their house is twice as big as ours.
Are you as tall as your brother?
No. My brother is a little taller than me.
Is John's house further than yours?
Yes. John's house is much further than mine.
Is the new teacher worse than the previous one?
Yes, he is much worse. He has no patience.
Is your new job better than your previous one? Yes, my new job is much better and pays more. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.